It's a 2014 BMW 3 Series. With an intelligent approach to engineering and legendary design, it's no wonder it's the most popular in BMW's lineup. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, leather bucket seats, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver writes, "So far the engine's willing thrust and the transmission's wieldy flexibility have been a joy to exercise. BMW is adrenaline unleashed." Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.